Hello everyone. Today I crafted an interactive Los Angeles crime dashboard on Power BI using Los Angeles crime dataset which I downloaded from Kaggle. In this dashboard, the key insights include crimes by day using clustered column chart and a line chart which works based on a parameter, crimes by year, crimes by quarter, crimes crimes by month, as well as clustered bar chart which works based on a crime filter parameter. Here we can see the status description, and if we want to know victim age range, you can see victim age range and a matrix to display year, area, crime, as well as comparing the crimes with the previous year. Four cards to display total crimes committed by adult, crimes committed by juvenile, and crimes committed by others, as well as comparing the current year crime with the previous year crime. Here, as we can see in the central, the crimes committed in 2021 is 13,138, and which is increased by 13.42% comparing to the previous year, which is 2020. And in 2023, the total crimes committed in central is 8,141, which is reduced by 18.30%. And I used three buttons. One is for filter, one is to clear all slices, and one is for narration, which I created using smart narrative option in Power BI. Here we can see the notice at 72,791. Jan had the highest crimes and was 38.74% higher than November, which had the lowest crimes at 52,467. Jan accounted for 9.67% of crime across all 12 months. Crimes ranged from 52,467 to 72,791, and slicer to filter based on year, month, crime location, premise description, weapon description, time of the day, and victim age range, and a multi-row card to display most committed crimes. Here we can see the most committed crime, vehicle stolen, which is 80,439. If we want to filter based on 2022, 2023, here we can see the vehicle stolen is 24,711. You can see the crimes committed in Devonshire is 9,468, and comparing to the previous year it is increased by 11.80%. And if we want to filter based on month, let's filter based on month of February on the year of 2022. You can see vehicle stolen as well as theft of identity, and we can filter based on location as well as the weapon description. Air pistol, revolver, rifle, BB gun. You can see the crimes committed using air pistol or revolver as well as rifle and BB gun. In 2021, total 450 crimes have been recorded on the year 2021. And this is how my dashboard works. And that's all about my dashboard. Thank you.